If you are thinking about automating your business chats or selling through Instagram, WhatsApp, or Facebook, you have probably heard of ManyChat. But is it actually worth it, or just another overhyped automation tool? In this quick review, here is everything you need to know before buying. What is ManyChat? ManyChat is a chatbot automation platform that helps businesses communicate with customers automatically. It mainly works with Instagram DMs, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and SMS. And instead of replying manually, you can set up automated conversations that respond to messages, capture leads, and even sell products. Key features. Here's what ManyChat does well. First, chat automation. You can build flows that guide users step by step, like answering questions or sending offers. Second, Instagram automation. This is one of its strongest features. You can auto reply to comments or DMs and turn engagement into sales. Third, lead generation tools. Collect emails, phone numbers, and segment users based on behavior. Fourth, broadcast messaging. Send promotions or updates to your audience, similar to email marketing but inside the chat apps. Finally, drag and drop builder. No coding needed to build automation flows. Pricing. ManyChat has a free plan with basic features, which is good for beginners. But if you want advanced automation, segmentation, or WhatsApp marketing, you will need the Pro plan. Pricing increases based on number of contacts, so costs can grow as your audience grows. Pros. Very easy to use, even for beginners. Strong Instagram and Messenger automation. Great for lead generation and e commerce. Free plan available to test it out. Cons. Pricing can get expensive at scale. Limited design customization for chat flows. Some advanced features locked behind paid plans. Works best only if you already have traffic or followers. Who should use it? ManyChat is best for online stores, content creators, marketing agencies, small businesses using Instagram or Facebook to sell. If you do not have an audience yet, you may not see much value right away. Final verdict. So is ManyChat worth it? Yes, but only if you are serious about automating customer conversations and already have traffic coming in. It is not a magic tool that brings customers, but it does help you convert and manage them much more efficiently. And that is the quick breakdown of ManyChat. If you want more honest reviews like this, make sure to subscribe, like, and leave us a good comment and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and goodbye.